Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that you're suddenly rich. Maybe one of your investments skyrocketed overnight. A side hustle you barely thought would work exploded into a full-blown business. You inherited a large sum of money, or perhaps you hit the lottery jackpot. At first, it feels like a dream. Financial freedom. Opportunities you never thought possible. A life where money isn't a worry. But here's the truth. Sudden wealth isn't just about buying sports cars, designer watches, or moving into a luxury mansion. For many people, it becomes a trap. Statistics and real-life stories show that people who come into sudden wealth are far more likely to lose friends and family, fall into addiction, or even go through a painful divorce. Most have never truly built wealth before, and without the right strategies. That fortune can disappear as quickly as it arrived. This video is here to change that. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do when you come into sudden wealth, whether it's through winning the lottery, inheriting a fortune, or your investments taking off. You'll learn how to protect your money, safeguard your relationships, and actually enjoy the freedom that comes with being rich. By the end, you'll know not just how to manage sudden money, but also how to think like a millionaire, so you don't fall into the traps that destroy most lottery winners and sudden millionaires. Stay stealth rich. The first rule of sudden wealth. Stay stealth rich. I know, it's tempting to shout it from the rooftops, tell all your friends, and even rub it in the faces of people who doubted you. But doing that is one of the fastest ways to lose it all. Money doesn't change people, reveals them. Friends, family, even strangers may suddenly see you as a walking ATM. Take Jack Whittaker, for example. He won $314.9 million in the Powerball. Initially, he gave millions to charity, bought gifts for friends, and helped complete strangers. Sound great! But going public with his wealth proved disastrous. His family relationships crumbled, friends abandoned him, and tragically, his granddaughter died from an overdose. All because he didn't protect his privacy. So how do you stay stealth rich? First, tell almost no one. 2. Keep your lifestyle the same. Avoid flashy purchases. Drive the car you had before. Live in the same house for a while. Second, professionals immediately. An attorney specializing in trusts and estate planning is critical. A trust can save millions in taxes and also keeps your financial life private. Fewer people knowing about your wealth means fewer risks. Robbery, lawsuits, blackmail, scam shoe, name it. Wealth in the first few months is fragile. Treat it like a secret. Control who knows. Control the narrative. And most importantly, protect yourself, your family, and your fortune. Staying quiet isn't paranoid strategy. Don't quit working completely. Once you've established privacy, the next step is maintaining structure in your life. Many people assume sudden wealth means quitting your job entirely, but that is a huge mistake. Boredom is dangerous. Without purpose, your only focus becomes spending money. People start chasing random business ideas, buying luxury cars, or opening restaurants they know nothing about. And before long, their fortune is gone, says. Consider quitting only a job you dislike, not the habit of work itself. Find something meaningful, even temporarily. Keep life normal for the first 6 months. This gives your mind time to adjust, prevents rash decisions, and allows you to plan wisely. Work keeps you grounded, connected, and structured. Think of it this way. If you're working, you're not spending. By maintaining a routine, you also avoid impulsive decisions that could destroy your financial future. Wealth isn't just having money, it's controlling how you use it. Work provides focus, stability, and a buffer between sudden wealth and reckless spending. Balance is key. Don't overwork, but don't stop entirely. Stay active, stay disciplined, and let your wealth grow responsibly. Kill high-interest debt first. One of the fastest ways sudden wealth disappears: high-interest debt. Many people think they can ignore it or pay it off slowly. But that's a trap. Credit cards with 20 to 30% interest rates can destroy your fortune faster than anything else. Car loans and personal loans can also hurt if rates are high. The rule is simple: pay off debts with the highest interest first. Not all debt is bad. Mortgages or interest loans at 2 to 3% might be better left untouched if you can invest that money for higher returns. Paying off high-interest debt is like earning a guaranteed return. It protects your wealth from erosion. Treat this stage as a reset button. Once cleared, promise yourself, never return to high-interest debt. Ned. Wealth is about smart, sustainable decisions. Eliminating dangerous debt first provides a stable foundation to grow your fortune and gives confidence to make long-term investments without fear. Remember, protecting your wealth is more important than spending it. Then lend money to friends and family. Sudden wealth tests your relationships. Friends and family may feel entitled to your money. They'll ask for loans, pitch business ideas, or expect bailouts. Lending money is one of the fastest ways to lose relationships. People rarely repay fully, and resentment often follows dissolution. Don't lend money. If you truly want to help, give it as a gift, one time only, with no expectation of repayment. Make it clear that this is an exception, not a habit. This protects your wealth and preserves relationships. Being generous within limits ensures that your help benefits others without putting you at risk. Wealth exposes entitlement. Setting clear boundaries saves you heartache. Sometimes, you need to be a little cruel to be kind. Discipline now keeps your money secure and your relationships intact. Remember, helping responsibly is about teaching financial responsibility and keeping your life and your money under control. Never spend the principal and invest wisely. The most important principle for maintaining wealth. Never spend the principal. Many new millionaires fall into the trap of endless spending, luxury homes, exotic cars, lavish vacations. The principal disappears, and so does security. Instead, focus on living off the interest or returns, not the lump sum, where the rule of 25 comes in. Calculate your annual desired income and multiply it by 25. This is the capital you need to generate sustainable income. For example, if you want $200,000 a year, you'll need $5 million invested wisely. Invest diversely. Low-cost stock market index funds for growth. Bond funds for stability. Residential and commercial real estate for cash flow. And a small allocation in high-risk assets like Bitcoin or ETH. Even a portion in a high-interest savings account ensures liquidity. This creates a money tree that produces income every month while protecting your principal. True wealth isn't yachts or Lambos, it's freedom. It's waking up and choosing how to spend your day. Protect your principal, invest wisely, and focus on income generation. Once secure, think beyond yourself, grow your wealth, and leave a legacy. The rich who stay rich aren't those who spend recklessly, they're those who buy back their time and control their lives. So, now you know the secrets to keeping sudden wealth from slipping through your fingers. It's not about flashy cars or designer wardrobes, it's about protecting your fortune, staying disciplined, and using money to buy back what truly matters: your time and freedom. Stealth rich. Eliminate high-interest debts, work with purpose, invest intelligently, and set boundaries with friends and family. If you follow these steps, you won't just be rich, you'll stay rich, build lasting security, and leave a meaningful legacy. If you want to learn exactly how to start investing for beginners and make your money work for you, I've linked a full step-by-step guide in the video above. But before you click, hit subscribe so you don't miss more tips to grow your wealth. Protect your money and secure your financial freedom. Your future self will thank you.